this video, we are going to change the motor here in my TRX6. So currently installed is the Clockwise 12T, and we are going to install the Torquemaster Pro 550 27 turn. Okay, and we will do some testing on these timings here, on how to go faster in going forward. So looking at this Holmes Hobbies list of motors, so in here we can see is the fastest motor and the slowest. Okay, so slow should be higher torque. So currently we are here, the Clockwise 12T, and now I'll be going lower to the lower speed, to the Torquemaster 27T. My TRX4 is actually here on the 27T. This video we're going to do details on the wiring itself, okay, on the polarity, and we are going to discuss on the motor rotation, what is forward and what is reverse. So all what we are going to see here in this video is my experience while I'm doing this one. So actually, before I will start this video, I've watched the explanation of Mr. Holmes with what is meant by these timings here. This Pro motor have this one. The motor are set to go on reverse rotation, okay, because of the rotation here, and then the smaller gear below should go the other way around. That's why it's reverse. So my setup here, you can see my 1080 hobby wing. So the blue wire is negative, then the yellow wire is positive. But so how did I make it reverse? Okay, if you see here, this motor have this red dot, so this is positive and this one is the negative, but this blue wire is the negative. So a motor setting is the pinion gear is going clockwise, okay, it's like this, and forward motor is a counterclockwise. Let's open up this new motor and then check what's inside. So the stickers are quite nice. It's just the whole logo, and unlike the other one, this one have this Holmes Hobbies written in it. So this one is just the logo itself and the motor. So first of all is the polarity. So you can see it has also a red dot for positive and this black for negative. And then you can see the difference. This is a Pro, okay. So this one is actually, you can dismantle and rebuild all, including the brushes. Here you can change, and the main difference that we can see here is this one, the timings. So if you want to make your motor go faster, you just have to loosen these two screws here, and then you have to rotate to make it faster. So what I'm going to do now is I will dismantle this wire, I will remove this wire and follow my wiring here. And this one is supposed to be preset at 12 degrees, but looking at it, you can see that the slot here is actually at 0 degrees. So I don't know, don't know what happened there. Difference that I saw here is that you can see you have two holes in here for the screw, two holes also on the other side. So, and the one we are taking out is only one. Okay, so I have connected it already. So the negative of the ESC goes to the positive of the motor, and the positive of the ESC goes to the negative of the motor. Okay, so before I will set aside this one, I will share another thing I observed. Okay, so here now the shaft is now longer, so later we will be adjusting inside how this pinion gear will go, because our current installation is this way. So actually in the original Titan motor is the other way around. So it's like kinda depends if where will the how will it fit inside. Okay, for demo purposes I will install this one. I hope we can notice which one is reverse and which one is, I mean, where is the rotation of the motor. Okay, so I will okay, so this one is correct, this one is reverse. Okay, clockwise is reverse. Take note. Okay, so I want my truck to move forward faster than going reverse. So when it comes to this motor, it's going clockwise, right? So I want it to move faster when it's going clockwise. I'm going to do that is we are going to adjust this one, the timing here. I will go to 12 degree by loosening this two screw here. Okay, the other one is on the top, and then slowly rotating. So which direction I'm going to go. Okay, so if my motor is going this way, I want it to move faster. The manual says I have to go to the opposite direction, so I have to rotate this one. So from this 12 I go to the 12 here. They should have marked here a negative 12. Okay, so I have to rotate it here. Okay, power first. So I'm going to loosen the end bells. Okay, and then it's going this way, so I have to rotate this one the other side. Okay, so that's 6 degree. Okay, oh, it's going over. Okay, now we are at 12. Okay, so I set there and then I press the set button. Okay, set in your transmitter. Okay, so while it's moving, I hope you can. So it's actually already set to 12. So now I'm going to rotate back to the 12 degree. Okay, so now I can feel that it is slower because I returned back to 0. Okay, so I try to move more. Now it's faster now at 36, but I will not go there. As per the recommendation is don't go over 12. Okay, So I guess that would be it. Okay, now okay, now it's in this one now. Okay, here is now set at the 12, almost 12. Okay, then what I'm going to do, we're going to test the forward and reverse. Let's see if it spins more clockwise than clockwise. That's full clockwise, that's full counterclockwise, so you can see it's slower. Okay, so now we are moving in faster in the clockwise direction rather than the reverse direction. Okay, so now our setting is 12-degree advanced timing. Okay, so I'm going to tighten these two screw now. Okay, so even the motor shaft of this one is longer, it will still not be long enough to follow the original installation of the 21 turn. The only advantage is there's a clearance underneath, okay, in there. So last time actually at the other motor, this set screw is very near to the spur gear, so now you will be having an option to move this thing a bit inwards. Okay, so that's how I'm going to do it. I need to move inwards so that this one will be safe and it will not be touching the spur gear. Okay, so the setup will be like that. Okay, so now we're going to do a short demo here in the table. So what do we expect? So we have a faster forward and a slower reverse because of the 12 degrees timing we set a while ago. So let's test. So I'm going forward. Okay, so that's the forward. This is reverse. Okay, so I think it's obvious. So the next thing is we will be going outside. It's actually nighttime here, so tomorrow I'm going to test it outside. So please watch the video. I'll be uploading soon. So if you are not a subscriber to my channel, please do so. I'm very thankful for that. It means a lot to me. And again, thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.